Okay,
Finally on the plane.
on the plane. There's Troy.
Hey.
There's a dent in the airplane.
And we can't take off.
They're looking at it.
We have to find out if it's safe to board.
To take off. So,
The airplane's a lot nicer than the other one.
Yeah, it is. We got TVs, but this is a little nerve-wracking.
Yeah. Troy got the best seat.
By the window.
With a seat to himself.
And we're just ready to go. We'll say that in the speaker. What did you say?
This cute guy sitting by us.
Cute guy sitting in the room.
Stop it.
It's not that long of a flight though.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll get there in time for our next flight.
Or else we're gonna be waiting in Dulles Airport for a really long time. Yep.
Just like we were in O'Hare.
Anyway, it's lovely music.
It's actually not.
I was being sarcastic. Okay.
Val's calling.
Okay, Val's calling.
Hello. Hi. Did you talk to Barton or Mary Jo? She's at the airport?
Good.
Okay, so are you gonna call back or is she gonna call back? Okay. Yeah. Right on, sister. Yeah, we are. Yeah, she's sitting right next to me. We're video blogging at this very moment. Okay, bye Val.
What'd you say?
So Mary Jo is waiting at the airport to go to Washington. And
Oh, she's not in Washington yet?
no, and she's going to be whatchamacallit. She's calling the airport and to talk about how it's all going to go down from the flight from there to here.
Okay.
And to Dakar. Yeah, and she's going to call them, and then if it doesn't happen, she's going to figure out, they're going to figure out something because she needs to get there too. So there's more than just the three of us.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Hopefully we'll get there.
Hopefully.